Yes, guys, welcome back to another episode with myself, Luke. So I hope you had a fantastic day wherever you are, and also a weekend. I know it's a bank holiday weekend for us, and maybe for others as well. So I hope you had a great weekend. So just before we jump into the technicals, make sure to subscribe to the channel, smash up the like button as well, the bell notification, so you can get all of the updates each and every day. Each and every day, I try to do a video as often as possible. So last week, we spoke about this inverse head and shoulders pattern. It broke out about 5 days ago, which maybe some of you got into this trade setup. So congratulations if you did. You would be up right now. If you jumped in just at the breakout, you would be up around 10% on this trade. So again, you can go back to one of my videos from last week looking at this inverse head and shoulders pattern, and the price target is all the way here at $71,000. So I mean, there we go. The inverse head and shoulders is right there for you. So congratulations if you took that. I did say last week that I wouldn't be taking this trade. I'm waiting for two price points, which I mentioned in my video. So you can go and check out my videos from last week about those two price points. So why is Bitcoin pumping like mad right now? We're going to jump into that in just a second. There was big news just a moment ago. I don't know if it's true. Might just be speculation, but it is pumping the market. Just look at this over on Crypto Bubbles right now, even over on CoinMarketCap. Let's just go to CoinMarketCap, shall we? And you can clearly see even the Fear and Greed Index is up to 60%. We were in the 50s, and all of a sudden we've gone into the 60s. So things are on fire right now. Altcoins will start pumping a lot. I mean, they are doing right now. If we look at the day, things are up 16, 20. Other things are up 30% almost for the week. Again, the week's only just got started. And yeah, so the altcoins are flying due to Bitcoin having a pump. And Ethereum. I don't really put Ethereum's an altcoin for sure, but for me, Bitcoin, Ethereum has its own category now, and then the rest of the altcoins. So I like to take away Ethereum from the altcoin talk, because I think it's big enough now. It is the queen of crypto, let's say. Bitcoin is still king. Ethereum is the queen of crypto, and then we have the rest of the altcoins. So Ethereum is technically still an altcoin, but it is in a league of its own now, in my opinion. So enough said about that. So jumping back into the Bitcoin price. So if you were with me last week, I was speaking about this inverse head and shoulders pattern. I had this line at 67k because we needed to get past it, and which we did. It took the weekend. I mean, the weekend is usually boring. We just went sideways, slightly down to 65,000, what was it, 800, and boom, start of a new week, and we're almost at our price point. So that price target of 72k for this inverse head and shoulders. So right now, if you are in a profit, then congratulations to you. Don't get greedy. Make sure you break even, set a stop loss, even have a trailing stop loss, take profits along the way. The next price point right now, well, we haven't technically hit the price target of this inverse head and shoulders pattern. Maybe tomorrow we could just simply smash through this. The next point of resistance is very clear. You don't have to be a genius to work this out. It's the all-time high. Okay, so the all-time high is sitting almost at 74,000 US dollars. So could we be about to touch the last of the all-time high, and start testing and retesting the resistance at 73,974k? So personally, I think right now it's looking really healthy, looking fantastic, really strong. We'll probably come up to that 71k. I mean, the inverse head and shoulders pattern, it's almost been validated. I mean, we're just a few, what is that, like 1% or something? We are, 1.6%, and technically if we go from 67, it's 1.4. So we're almost at that. I mean, this has pretty much validated the inverse head and shoulders. So congratulations if you took that. So what next for Bitcoin? Well, like I just said, the 74k is next. We could be hitting massive, what it is massive resistance. I don't expect us just to blow straight through, unless maybe the Ethereum. So the news, why is Bitcoin exploding like this? Due to maybe Ethereum, the speculation surrounding about an ETF approval. I don't know if this is if it's just a rumor or if it's true. I mean, there's so many different YouTubers right now, the news as well, talking about all this. So could this be a legitimate news source coming through that it's not just a rumor, but it actually maybe it's been leaked before it being announced? But let me know in the comment section below, because I've just literally the last 15 minutes just seen this. I haven't really gone into it yet. So is it a rumor? Is it true? Please let me know in the comments section below. We'll probably find out tomorrow or later today, because I'm going to get some sleep in a moment, so I'll probably miss out on that. So if you're over in the States right now, over that way, you probably get more news as I'm sleeping. So I'll probably wake up to it tomorrow to see if this thing is true. If it is true, then it's fantastic for Ethereum. It's fantastic for the rest of the crypto space. And could we be seeing, if this is true, just a blast off straight past 74k and going towards 80, 90, and that six-figure Bitcoin? So yeah, it's exciting this year to be in crypto. So hopefully you are. Hopefully you have some exposure in crypto, in Ethereum, in Bitcoin especially, and any other altcoins that you're interested in. So just jumping over to Ethereum right now. I mean, it's absolutely epic. We've gone up. Just a moment ago it was at 15%. We're just taking a little pullback right now. And yeah, so I mean, you can clearly see we've just absolutely exploded to the upside, all the way down from 3,150 to 3,500 US dollars per Ethereum. So again, congratulations if you are holding Ethereum. Personally, for me, I could easily see Ethereum hitting 15 to 20k. That's probably being very conservative for this cycle. So if you are holding it, then this is just, in my opinion, again, none of what I'm saying is financial advice. You have to do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor. It's only for educational purposes, only for my channel. So if you're into Ethereum, then this, in my opinion, is just at the beginning for this bull run. So yeah, again, if you're in any of these altcoins, then it's fantastic. Well done to you. This is just the top 100. I'm sure everything is pretty much in the green right across the board. Let's go to the top 2 to 300. Yeah, I mean, everything is absolutely pumping for the day. The top 400. Okay, so you kind of get the idea. When Bitcoin, Ethereum start moving, the rest of the space starts moving too. So just looking at the Bitcoin dominance, just to see if we've gone down slightly. I haven't checked this out, so no, not really. We're at 55%. Did we take a tumble? We have taken a tumble over the day, which is good. From 56, we're down 1%, but for the week, let's just, okay. This is looking not too bad. So could we be having like a waterfall effect in the Bitcoin dominance? That would be absolutely phenomenal. Let's just take it on trading view. It's a lot better. Why is that good? Well, yeah, this is fantastic. Basically, if the Bitcoin dominance continues to fall like this, then the altcoins are going to absolutely rip. So I hope this just keeps falling down so that we can make some money in the altcoins, in the altcoin space. Because I mean, Ethereum, if that's true, then yeah, technically Ethereum is an altcoin. Everybody is moving on to Ethereum and to the altcoins basically. So the dominance could be taking a hit right now, and hopefully we free fall way below. I want to see something crazy, like coming all the way down to 50%. It might not sound crazy, it's only 5% move, but in terms of the altcoins, if we do see something like this, what percentage was this? This was a 3.6%. If we go further back, let's take the weekly. Yeah, if we see like a waterfall effect like this, that would be, I don't think we're going to fall, obviously, all that. That was back in, what, 2021. But we could see something like this. Oof, 20%. I don't think we're going to go down 20%, but even if it's just 10%, that would be great. 20% will bring us down to 43%. I really hope we come into the 40s. That would be fantastic for altcoins. So if you're an altcoin holder, if this is the beginning of altcoin, an epic altcoin season, or just another altcoin rally like we've had in the past, over the past year. We've only had altcoin rallies. We haven't had an altcoin season yet, and you might disagree with me, but an altcoin season is when everything is pumping like 100. It's basically doing a 2x every single day for a few weeks. So you just see 100%, 100%, 100% on your portfolio. So that's basically when this dominance is going to come tumbling down. So enough said about that. Again, let me know in the comments what you think. If you think it's Ethereum is the catalyst for the reason why Bitcoin is taken, is shot up as well. Maybe Ethereum is leading the way for this rally. And any altcoins that you're holding as well, let me know in the comments section below. So I think that's pretty much it for today. I don't think I had any other anything to go through. Dominant, okay. I think that's pretty much it. And oh yeah, just one more thing, that giant cup and handle pattern, let's go to the weekly. So if this, I mean, you can clearly see on the weekly what I'm talking about here. If you saw my video last week, we clearly have this, you know, let's just clean up the charts a minute, get rid of the inverse head and shoulders, get rid of this, get rid of this. All right, so you can clearly see we have this cup right here. Let's take the arc, just put it here, around there, bring that down. Okay, so we have the cup here, and then we also have the handle forming right now, and it's pretty, it actually has broken out of this. So what is the price target of this? How do you measure the price target of a cup and handle? Well, all you do is you go from the bottom of the cup to the neckline, and that's pretty much it. So let's just go, I've got a bit of OCD, so I want to make it straight. I don't know if that's straight. There we go. Well, anyway, it doesn't matter. Yeah, there we go. So what price target would this take us to? This would take us to 118,000 US dollars. So right now it looks like it's breaking out of this. It's not the best drawing in the world, but you get the picture, get the idea. Cup, handle, breaking out. It's not, yeah. I mean, I spoke about this last week. Even a few months ago as well, of a potential cup and handle pattern. But last week, you can go and check out my video about this, and there we go. A 6-figure Bitcoin if this cup and handle pattern plays out. So congratulations if you're into Bitcoin, in altcoins. Don't get greedy. As we go up and you start seeing your portfolio 2, 3, 10x, whatever, don't get greedy. Start taking profits off the table. And again, not financial advice. So thanks guys and girls for sticking to the very end. I should be back tomorrow. Let's see when I wake up where Bitcoin is. Excited to see where it is tomorrow. Again, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. Leave a thumbs up or a thumbs down, and I will see you next time with another video. Bye bye.